think it's burning. No, it is. It is. What the frick? Who knew a light bulb could do this? And then there's this burnt noggin. Do you want to build a snowman?
Hi everyone, before this video starts, I want to mention that this video was filmed 3 months ago and I'm just editing it now because I'm a piece of shit and I think we all know this. But I feel like Tanimoji was saying this, but yeah, this is old ass footage, so I'm in my old apartment and I just look like shit, but what's new? Okay, bye.
Just like you to know that you're bouncing on a freaking pizza box. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here and today I'm going to be doing a baking at 2 a.m. video, but you know what? 1993 Easy Bake Oven edition. This is back, nope, yep. So I found this on Kijiji and I thought it'd be perfect, and yes, my kitchen is a mess. Frick, I just want to rip these eyelashes off. Maybe I will, yes. Disgusting.
Does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit? Disgusting! I
got this on Kijiji for like 15 bucks and I thought it was the best thing ever. But you know what? I guess Easy Bake doesn't sell their freaking packets anymore. I can order them on Amazon or like Walmart, but that is just so much work. And a fun fact, I used to make Easy Bake videos, insert right here. Yeah, that was some rough days. Basically, when I was younger and I didn't have Easy Bake packets, I would just make my own recipes, like cook regular shit in this. We're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies today and hopefully some brownies, so we're gonna see how that goes. Comes with this dirty ass rolling pin. So I'm just gonna preheat this because I feel like it's gonna take forever since it's a freaking light bulb. Is that it? Is this shit on? I don't get it. I don't have a fucking light bulb for this shit. I have a screwdriver. This is a lot more work than I thought. I thought it was called Easy Bake for a reason. Easy. But no, this actually might take me 6 fucking hours. Fuck. Oh my god. Dusty as fuck. Oh my god, it's working. It's working. It just needed to be screwed in. To make these chocolate chip cookies, I'm gonna search up a recipe because if you guys don't know, I can't cook for shit, so. We're gonna use yellow ones from IKEA because
I apologize for muting that all, but I kind of did you guys a favor because that was actually the cringiest thing I've ever said in a video.
Fuck, that shit's so cringy. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 tablespoon sugar. This is in the shade period blood. I'm kidding, fuck. Gross. 1 tablespoon sugar. Where's my freaking brown sugar? I just don't know where. Don't know where my brown sugar is, so we're just gonna do 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Never mind, I'm dumb as fuck. Pack that shit down. Boom. Then we need 2 teaspoons of margarine. This is a teaspoon, but I don't really wanna, this shows tablespoons. Yeah, this is not aesthetic. If you came to this channel for aesthetic, wrong channel, guys. I'm gonna assume like this. Nope, that's not it. We're gonna assume this is good. We're making it out of a fucking Easy Bake Oven. Why am I trying so hard? So it says 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, but we don't have that. So we're just gonna use baking soda and hope for the best. It's literally asking for 1/8, so I think we'll be fine. 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Splash. We're gonna add a little more. Fuck, that's too much. 1 teaspoon of water. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay. Now it says to mix. Okay, so now we're gonna use this mini yellow spatula. I don't have a mini whisk because I'm not trying to come for Emma Chamberlain's brand. We're just gonna mix this together. What's with mini things? Like Jonah Sedita, or whatever however you say her name, sorry for disrespecting. But she has like a mini mic, and then Emma had like a mini whisk, and I don't know what I have. I have nothing. I don't have a boyfriend, don't have a dog, don't have a cat, don't have a hamster. Maybe I should just go off. I'm kidding. Can I just have a boyfriend, please? I'm kidding. I don't want a boyfriend.
Wow, I wish that was my mentality 3 months later because I kind of want a boyfriend now. I'm fucking lonely.
At what age is like the point that you realize that you're gonna be single alone? Because like I'm kind of realizing it at age 16. Like, is that normal? I don't know. Honestly, I've just kind of thought of just having a bunch of Pomeranians like Jeffree Star because I love Pomeranians and I don't need a man. So
what the fuck happened to me 3 months later? Why am I? That is not my mentality anymore. SOS. Bring back old Mai.
Wow, this baking video turned into something else. Okay, this is dry. Drier than my DMs. Just kidding, my DMs are not dry. I say that a lot, but it's not dry. I actually started crying today because at night, like literally an hour ago, because you guys are so freaking sweet, and I started... Fuck. No one else is eating this. I started to reply to you guys with video chats and I thought it was the cutest shit ever, and I just really appreciate you guys. Love you. Maybe a little more moisture, like maybe a little bit. I think this is good. Now it says to add 4 tablespoons of chocolate chips, but I don't want to measure, but we have these semi-sweet mini ones. it. Frick. I think that's too much. It's all over my floor. That's okay though. Now we're gonna mix. Oh no, this is stickiness. Guys, this is actually going well. Oh my god.
Yeah, no, I said that too fucking soon. Just wait. You just wait, Mai, to see what happens. Dumbass jinxes everything.
Should I make an easy bake channel? Oh no, this is like more chocolate chips than the actual cookie dough. Frick, this is spilling everywhere. Okay, we need to grease this. So I can just use my, you know, forehead grease or my hair grease. Margarine. Boom. Okay, now we're just gonna roll it into balls, I guess. Maybe I just wanna make one fat cookie. I wanna make one fat cookie, okay? Should I just throw it all in the pan? I don't know what I'm doing. Like fuck, we're going, that was gross. Are we gonna make a cookie cake? We should make layers, like a brownie, cookie, and then cover it in icing.
Clearly, I was way too confident in myself because in the end, I ended up just burning the whole thing, so.
Yes. Brilliant mind. This is gonna take forever to cook. There, here we have our cookie. Yeah, so we're gonna put this in the frickin' oven now. Whoa, what the frick, guys? Frick, it came out the other side. Boom, okay. Leave it in there for a while. This is a mess, but really, I don't care. Oh, fuck, I don't have Siri. Okay, let's see how to make brownies. Frick, I don't have baking powder. But that's fine. For this, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is so unentertaining, I'm sorry. I'm not good at YouTube. These are not accurate. I have an eyelash appointment in 4 hours. Now we need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Posty came on. I love Post Malone. Also, go watch the highlight on my Instagram of Post Malone because I freaking am in love with that. Oh, it brings back so many memories. It makes me want to cry because my life is not that eventful anymore.
Now watching back on this is so funny because I ended up going on with tour. Oh, frick, English. I ended up going on tour with him 2 weeks after I filmed this. So go watch my Post Malone highlight on my Instagram.
Oh my god, in my brownie video, you guys know that I fucking failed because my dumbass didn't know that the brownies were supposed to be fudgy, so I thought that they were just wet and I baked them for like 3 hours. We need 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. That was more than 2 teaspoons, but whatever. I like Easy Bake. It's so much easier. I don't have baking powder, so we're just gonna go with baking soda again. Bitch, don't tell me that this is baking powder. Bitch, no. No. This is flour.
Like, I guess I didn't realize I had flour on my face the rest of this video, so just ignore that because I'm stupid and I think we already know that.
1.5 teaspoons of vegetable oil. I don't have vegetable oil, but I have olive oil. I love how this is an easy bake video and I still can't follow instructions. 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Can't even measure properly. 3 teaspoons of water. Splash. Splash. Oh my god, this balance is amazing. I'm not spilling anything. This turns out good. You guys better subscribe. Just subscribe anyways, please. I'm just desperate. Just kidding. But not kidding. Okay, I need a little more water. Now I'm gonna pour it into this pan and I'm just gonna butter it a little. And then we're gonna place it. Oh my god, this is so freaking easy. I love this. Look at that. Frick. Oh, it's safe though. Are we still gonna eat it? Yes, ma'am. This is not done. Okay. 15 minutes. Okay, no, it's not done. But this is what it looks like so far, and it's actually turning out good. Oh my god, I'm proud. No. Frick. My cookie is too big. Like, it's hitting the top. We have to push it down and squish it. Sorry, cookie. We have to squish you. Oh, this is ugly, but that's okay. The bottom will still look nice. Oh no, this is like a chocolate mess. What do I do? Do I scoop some out? I feel like I need to scoop some out. Maybe that's good now. Okay, maybe that's good. I'm gonna come back to you guys when this shit is done. Fuck, I think it's burning. Fuck, no, it is. Shit, I fucking burnt it. Fuck. I don't know what to do. Okay, well, I'm gonna put my brownie in and hope for better. I didn't think that it could burn. It's a fucking light bulb. Oopsies. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. I kind of was just like on the toilet, you know? So, you know, fuck, that almost fell in my fucking cup of orange juice. Update, it smells so freaking burnt out here, but like, whatever. So we're gonna check on this. This is the brownie, I guess. I don't know if it's ready, but we're gonna call it donezo because it's now 5 a.m. So we're gonna let this cool right here. My cookie is kind of cooled down, but like really, what the fuck? What is this? I don't... What the frick? Who knew a light bulb could do this? I don't know what I'm doing. This was disgusting. But I actually truly fucked up. Oh my god. Okay, so here we have the freaking brownie. So it turned out like this. If you guys can see, it kind of looks like a flop, but I think it looks half decent. To make this look cute, I don't know whether I want to spit this out or keep eating it. This tastes weird as shit. I don't know how I feel about this, but you know what? It looks half decent, so we're gonna go with it. Grab off the edges, I guess. I want it to be like straight, if that makes sense, so that I can decorate it. I'm making a fucking mess. Fuck me, I'm making the biggest mess of my life right now. Oh my god, just kidding. My whole life is a mess. Alright, so now we're gonna decorate it. So from No Frills, I got some decorating supplies, these letters, and tampons, but that's not for video. Got some icing, some yellow icing to be aesthetic, some freaking sprinkles. I don't know how I want to decorate this. We're gonna figure it out. Should I just smear it or should I make a smiley face? Look how freaking cute this is. Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna decorate it though, like all the way. Fuck me, this looks ugly as shit. I regret this. How do I make this ish smooth? Oh my god, I regret this so much. This looks ugly. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Not doing too well, but that's fine. We just gotta believe. Oh fuck, this is a mess. I don't think this is the best way of doing it, but it's the way I'm gonna do it, okay? I feel like it would look so cute if I like put this in the fridge and like let the icing cool and then just like do another layer, but bitch, we don't got time for that. It is now like almost 6 a.m. in the morning, so love that for us. So now of course we're gonna decorate it with these letters. You know what I'm gonna spell with these letters? Guess, bitches, guess. Oh my god, this is making me excited. Fuck, ow, oh. Okay, so now we're gonna decorate it with some freaking sprinkles. Oh god. Yep, we're just gonna... Okay, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm trying my best, okay? Pressing this shit on. Okay. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Did you see this? Don't skip the ads. I just dropped it in the sink. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't skip the ads. And then there's this burnt fucking noggin. Do you want to build a snowman? Wow, holy shit, this took me so long and it's now 5:41 a.m. What is wrong with me? I don't know. Honestly, so edible. It's like chewy on the inside too. Yo, this is good, but I'm not trying to get diabetes. I'm sorry. That's a good video. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys want more chewy videos, especially cooking. Follow my Instagram on the screen right here and let me know if you guys subscribe in this video because I honestly read every single one of my comments, okay? Yeah. Toodaloo, peace, bye.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla, too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt, girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her, hey, I'm thinking I should've rest, all night long, she putting me to the test, got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest, couldn't know my lines, it's anything but the best.